Hello everyone and welcome again. So in previous video already we create the future template regarding interfaces, VPNs, OSPF, OMP and system and so on. So now it's time to create a template, okay, based on these features. After that we need to attach it to our devices. So first of all I need to create a template. We're gonna use from future template, not CLI, okay. After that I need to choose device model. So in the device model we have VH Cloud, and here I'm gonna give a template name from mine templates. Let's give a name, for example template config, okay, that's good. After that I need to start with the basic information. So for the system already we create one, okay, and OMP as well, also for VPN 0. So if we back to our topology, VPN 0, it will be configured under Giga 01, okay. So Giga 01 is under VPN 0. So here I'm gonna choose Giga 01. Great. And for VPN, also we create a VPN 0. Okay. So I choose VPN 0. And also here we have VPN 512 already we created. And also we have interface for the management is Ether 0 and Ether 0 as well from that side. So let's choose Ether 0, and we have another one VPN, which is VPN 10. It will be under Giga 00. Okay, so let's choose VPN 10, and I'm gonna choose VPN interface is Giga 00, and also we said we need to configure the OSPF here and here. Okay, so we need also to add OSPF. Okay, already we create a template, OSPF template. Okay, good. And the last one is the banner. So we have a banner here. Okay, good. So now I think everything is good till now. Okay, okay. Let's create. Okay, let's see now if there is any error. So I don't have any error, so it's good. Now it's time to attach. I need to go here and attach devices, then choose my devices. Okay, VH1 and VH2 attached. Here is very important because now is the time to filling all this, because if you go to the next, so you have some field required, you need to fill it. So let's start with VH1. Okay, VH1. Great. Edits. As you can see here is give me some info I need to filling, like what IPv4 address, but here I have IPv4 address, and here I have also IPv4 address, and here also IPv4 address. But the thing is now I don't know. I know I have 3 interfaces, but I need to know which interface I should configure here. Okay, so this is a mistake, so this is my bad. Let's back to template. Let's cancel this. Okay, go into the feature. I need to go to the interface, okay, because our error or our mistake is in interfaces. So interface Giga 01, Ether 0 and 00. So let's start with Giga 01. Okay, good. And here under the IP, where is it? Under the IP here, I need to add here, for example, this is Giga 01, right? Yeah, Giga 01. Let's type it like this. Okay, Giga 01. Okay, like this. Can choose this. Okay, let's type it Giga 01. Then I will update it, and Giga 00, same, edit, I'm going to interface here. I'm gonna fix it as giga 00. Okay, update. And for ether 0, where is ether 0? Yes, that one. Edit. And here I'm gonna choose ether 0. Okay, nice. Now, yeah, it will be more easy. Okay, so let's do go to templates. Okay, devices, then attach devices again. Okay, good. Then what I need to fill this. Okay, let's start with VH1. So now it's clear. So this, okay, this section I need to what? To create IP address for giga 00. So for giga 00, I'm going to use 192.168.51/30. Okay, so let's move here. I have 192.168.51/30. Okay, so for the OSPF we need router ID. Okay, so router ID I will fix it as same. Okay, router ID it will be 192.168.51. And for the ether 0, this one for the management to reach the internet. Okay, to reach internet, so I need to fix it 192.168.174.180. Okay, /24. Okay, good. And for giga 01, I'm going to do 192.168.24. Okay, so 192.168.24. And for host name, I will keep it the same, VH1. Okay, system IP as well. Okay, and site ID is 4. Okay, good. Update. Then I will go to the next one, VH2. So giga 00 here is 61/30. Okay, and for the router ID I will keep it the same. And for the ether 0, I'm going to do 741. Okay, well, sorry, 174.181/24. And for giga 0, I'm going to use what? 25. Okay, 25. Okay, 192.168.25/24. Host name is the same, VH2. And for the system IP is what? Yeah, same. And site ID is 5. Okay, good. Let's update now, and let's do next now and see the config preview. Okay, let's see now. So this is for the both. This is for VH1 and VH2. To be honest, I like to see config diff, then going side by side. Okay, difference. Okay, to see what's difference between the previous one. So here, domain ID. So we don't need the domain ID. Okay, it's added. So 4. Okay, the console is added. Default one 9600. So before it was not configured, and also domain ID it was not configured. Also, so here what I have new, I have advertise OSPF under OMP. Okay. And also I have a new thing, which is the banner. I add the banner with the login hello and MOTD is hello. And what we have here, VPN 0, we have nothing here, VPN 0. And I have a new interface, okay? Yeah, before it was with giga 00. So I removed giga 0 from VPN 0 and I move it to VPN 10. So that's why now I have interface giga 01 with IP24, and the tunnel is encapsulation. Okay, the color is business internet. So yeah, we choose here the business internet for tagging, and also we allow OSPF. Okay, now before it was not allowed. Okay, and now shut down. Great. And here we have a new VPN. You see, VPN 10. router OSPF with a router ID and so on. We redistribute OMP, yeah, and yeah, we activate the OSPF enter giga 00, and now we have giga 00 description to the server, and now shutdown 551 and so on. Yes, so this is what we have now. Yes, great. This is giga 0, but for the giga 01, no shutdown. Okay, okay, everything is good. Yeah, and we have default route for 192.168. This is for VPN 512. Okay, good. Ethernet 0. Okay, nice. So now let's I think everything is good now. So let's configure devices. Now is asking for the committing, okay, for double check to confirm. Okay, I confirmed. So before we do that, before we configure, let's go to CLI just to show run. As you can see here, we don't have any configuration regarding the OSPF and the configuration of VPN 512 and so on, giga 01. Okay, so let's now do okay. Now you have a status. You can here refresh from here and see the progress to see what is going on. Okay. Okay. Yes. Good. Let's see if success or not, because now he's sending this template to devices. So the second one is success, and also the both devices is good now. If we checking now the CLI one more time, so you're gonna see the difference. So yeah, there is new advertise. Okay, we have a new banner. Okay, nice. VPN 0, we have giga 01 is configured, and also we have VPN 10, the new one. Okay, good. And we have 520. Okay, let's try to ping to 888 to Google from VPN management 512. So ping is working, and also for VH2. Okay, nice. So it means everything is good now. And now I need to configure, this is CLI, because this is a normal switches. Okay, that's why we need to configure it. Let's go to this switch. Okay, what we gonna do? Okay, this is host name switch 2, and let's give interface no switch port, IP address 192.168.52/30. Okay, now shut down, and also interface one IP address or no switch port first, because default is layer 2, 192.168.80 1.255.255.252, or let's do it /24. Yeah, it's /24. Overlapping. Okay, I have an existing okay, loopback, now IP address. Okay, interface, let's do it one more time. IP address 192. Okay, don't forget to enable the OSPF. I'm gonna configure OSPF here. Interface 00 IP OSPF area 0. Okay, nice. Let's move to the other switch and see enable show or not show conft hostname switch 3, and the interface 00 IP address 192.168.61.255.255.252. Sorry, here is 2. Don't forget to switch it no switch port, okay, because this is already layer 3. And for interface 1 no switch port, IP address, I think loopback is exist also here. Now IP address, interface, one IP address 192.168.71/24. Now shut down. Don't forget to enable OSPF area 0, and in the interface Ethernet 0. Okay, good. So now if we checking in VH, if we are seeing any routes from that side or not, to make sure the server are reachable in the both side, let's go to VH, show IP route. Let's make it bigger. Okay, so look to VPN 10. Okay, so I have VPN 0, VPN 10 and 512. So our focus now about 10. Okay, I can see the network 192.168.50.0, which is, this is connected to me. Okay, and I can see 60 as well. Okay, which is in that side. Great. And I can see 70. Yeah, this one 70. Okay, it means the server is reachable, and also 80 this server. That's great. So now I can see everything, so I can make the ping between these two servers. So let's try to access to my server. This is my server. I need to create an IP default gateway as well. Okay, let's start with this first. I'm going to the Ethernet. Okay, edits. So it's DHCP manual. Okay, IPv4. So here is 192.168.8 what 1, sorry, 2, and the mask 255.255.0 gateway 81. Okay, nice. Save. Okay, now he's asking about the DNS. Okay, let's do 888. Okay, save. Now is okay, and let's go to second server. I need to access here. Okay, now let's move directly to configure the IP on that server 2. This is server 2, which is 192.168.7.2. Okay, Ethernet. Okay, edit here and going to manual IPv4 192.168.72.255.255.255.0 192.168.7.1. Okay, good. Sorry, DNS 88. Save configuration. Okay, let's try now to ping to my server. So now I am in server 2. I need to access to server 1. If ping is working or not. 82. Okay, request timeout. Let's see. Okay. Let's do one more time. It's not working. Request timeouts. It may be because the firewall in Windows. Let's see if the firewall is enabled or not. So sometimes when you let's go to firewall, check status here. Sometimes you need to turn it off. Okay, let's do it, turn it off. Okay, and also in that side, is blocking here ICMP firewall status. Let's go here, turn on, turn off. Good. Let's try one more time to ping. Yes, ping is working now. That's great. So server 1 can reach what server 2. I can do also traceroute to, I don't know if it's working here or not. 192.168.82. Maybe it take some time. Okay, so this is the important thing. We can't, so our objective is success. Server 1 can reach server 2, and also we manage the VH. Okay, we manage the configuration from vManager. So the only thing we did in the CLI is switch 3 and switch 2. I hope this is clear for you. And yeah, if you have any question, you can let it in the comments or write in the comments. Okay, thank you so much for your watching and consideration. See you in the next video.